Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and filling lunch that I made. A stuffed baked potato with greens and beans. I'll make the same thing for my husband, but add shredded vegan cheese and barbecue sauce on top. So it's a very versatile meal. You can kind of just open up your fridge and see what veggies you have, steam them, and add them to the baked potato. So I baked two very large potatoes in the air fryer for 40 minutes on 400 Fahrenheit. And then I ended up just eating one of them and saved the other for later. So in a pan on the stovetop with some water, I sauteed half a diced onion, some frozen corn, and then added in chopped up broccoli and kale, chopped it up really, really tiny, and cooked it for 15 minutes with the lid on. You can add some seasonings and spices, but I left it plain because I knew I was putting ketchup and nutritional yeast on top afterward, and that's flavor enough for me. And also a few drops of liquid smoke would have been very good too if you like that hickory flavor. So once the potato is baked, slice it vertically down the middle and add your filling. Then drizzle it with ketchup and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. That's it. And this is another example of my super easy to remember greens, beans, and wet starch formula for filling weight loss meals. And if you want to remember what a wet starch is, just ask yourself, is it steaming? So another word for it is steaming starch. So oatmeal, rice, quinoa, barley, millet, and baked or boiled potatoes all steam when cooked. So that's actually a term that I heard from Dr. Jen Hawk, who works with Dr. Doug Lyle, who I mention a lot on my channel. I've learned tons from them about this way of eating and so much more. Essentially, what makes a food low calorie density is the fact that it contains so much fiber and water. Neither fiber or water contain calories, but they do help to keep you full. All right, thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.